Welcome you to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Myself Sneha Devdare, your grade 1 maths teacher. So students, how are you all? How are you? Fine? Rocking? Doing studies at home? Okay, very good. So students, we have completed with our term 1 syllabus. Okay, term 1 syllabus we have completed. Now we are going to start with term 2. What? Now we are going to start with term 2. Okay, so for term 2, you will be having another saffron textbook. Okay, for term 2, another saffron textbook is there. Same like first. That is also saffron textbook only. This is also same saffron textbook, but this is of term 2. So henceforth you have to open whenever it is asked this textbook, okay, for all the subjects. Fine. So this is the saffron textbook term 2. Okay. Now students, I will show you something. Okay. Be ready. Ball. Okay. Green ball. Okay. Now what is this? This is also ball. Fine. Now this ball and this ball, if you will compare this, okay, if you will compare this, what is the difference? What is the difference? What can you see? Yes? Yes, this is big ball. Yes, no students, this is big ball and this is small ball. Okay, so big, small. Okay, understood? Okay, now in my hand there is water bottle. Okay, this is full of water. इसमें पानी भरा है. Okay, this is full of water. Now in another hand I have eraser. Okay, I have eraser. So tell me students, if you will compare this, what is the difference? Whose weight is more? वजन किसका ज़्यादा है? भरे हुए पानी ये बॉटल है इसका ज़्यादा है या फिर ये इरेजर का ज़्यादा है? Which is heavy? Yes, this is heavy and this is light. Okay, ये देखो थोड़ा सा क्या है? Heavy है, वजन है और ये बहुत ही हल्का है. Okay, so this is heavy and this is light. Okay, now see here students, two pencils are there in my hand. Okay, see this is long and this is short. Okay, long and short. Okay, see this height of this pencil is long. इसकी height कैसी है? Long है, इससे बड़ी है. Okay, the pink is this one short and the black is long. Okay, long pencil, short pencil. Understood? So students, see, means you have compared the balls, big, small. Okay, then you have compared this water bottle, eraser. This is heavy, this is light. Okay, then you have compared pencil, height of the pencil. This is long, this is short. Okay, now students, okay, so all these things you have compared. Means what you have done? Yes, means what you have done? This big, small, heavy, light, long, short. What are these all? Yes, these here you have measured. What you have done? You have measured. You have compared differences and all. Okay, so students, today we are going to start with our new chapter of term 2, that is first chapter, measurement. What? Measurement. Okay, so everyone take out your saffron textbook, term 2, page number 55. 55. Ready? Okay. We will start with the warm up. Okay. So chapter number 1, measurement. What? Chapter number 1, measurement. Warm up. Take the one that is big. Okay. See students, here they have given some pictures. So you have to take whatever they have asked. Okay. Take the one that is big. Now here, what is there? Dolphin and here fish. They both are water animals. So tell me, which is big among this? Which is big among this? Which is big? This dolphin is big or this fish is big? Yes, this dolphin is big. So I will tick to the dolphin. Understood? So tick the dolphin. Tick the dolphin. Finish. Next, question 2. Take the one that is light. Okay, light यानी हल्का. अभी ये देखो, big यानी बड़ा और small यानी छोटा. Okay, तो बड़ा कौन सा है? Dolphin. Okay, so we have done the dolphin. Take the one that is light. Take the one that is light. Okay, light यानी क्या? हल्का फुल्का. Okay, so here you can see like a bird and fly. Okay, so which is heavy, which is light? They have asked you to tick the light. जो हल्का है इसको हमें टिक करना है. Okay, so this bird is light और this fly is light. हल्का कौन सा है इसमें से? जब हमने वाटर बॉटल और इरेजर को कंपेयर किया तो हमें क्या मिला? हैवी वाटर बॉटल. क्यों? उसमें पानी भरा था. इट इज हैवी. थोड़ा उठाने के लिए हमें क्या हैवी लगता है. और इरेजर हम आसानी से उठा सकते हैं. तो अगर हमने ये दो कंपेयर किए तो कौन सा लाइट है और कौन सा हैवी है? यस, दिस इज लाइट. ओके, द फ्लाई इज लाइट than this bird. Okay, lighter than bird. Come on, take to the fly. Next, take the one that is long. Okay, take the one that is long. Okay, now this is also pencil, this is also pencil. I have shown you students. Okay, long याने लंबा, short याने छोटा. Okay, so they have asked you to tick the long pencil. So which is the long pencil? लंबा कौन सा है इसमें से? This one. Okay, so I will tick here. Understood? Now next, tick the one that is tall. Okay, tick the one that is tall. Height से बड़ा. Tall. Okay, here you can see sheep and here you can see giraffe. Okay, imagine in front of you giraffe and sheep. Which is tall? Which animal is tall? Height में कौन ज़्यादा है? Of course, giraffe. Okay, so I will tick the giraffe. Understood? Come on, take it. If you have compared dolphin and fish, dolphin is big. If you will compare that bird and flies, so that house fly is light. And if you will compare both the pencils, so that first one is long pencil and here giraffe and sheep is there, so giraffe is tall. Got it? Done everyone? Done or not? Come on, do it fast. Finish? Okay. Now what we are going to learn in this chapter? Look ahead. Measurement of length. How you can measure the length, that we are going to learn. Measurement of weight. वजन कैसे मेजर करते हैं वो भी देखेंगे. Measurement of capacity. Okay, these things we are going to learn in this chapter. Understood? See, my way ahead. My way ahead. Azhar's class teacher has distributed practice sheets. In the practice sheet, some of the words are written in such a way that their meaning is understood from the way these are written. For example, see, Azhar's class, in Azhar's class, his class teacher has given them some sheets, okay, and on that sheets some words are written. Fine, some words are written, and the words are written in such a way that the meanings will be understood. वो वर्ड्स ऐसे लिखे हैं कि उनका मीनिंग क्या है वो समझ में आ जाता है ऑटोमेटिकली. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट फॉर एग्जांपल वी विल टेक दिस HUGE, huge. What? HUGE, huge. huge यानी क्या? मोटा, बड़ा. ओके, तो अभी ये ह्यूज कैसा लिखा है देखो, बड़े इसमें लिखा है ना, बोल्ड इसमें लिखा है. ओके, ह्यूज का मीनिंग क्या होता है? बड़ा, मोटा, और ये वर्ड भी ऐसे ही लिखा है. अंडरस्टूड? नेक्स्ट, TALL, tall. ओके, TALL, tall. tall यानी हाइट में लंबा. ओके, लंबा. ओके, so here tall is also written like that. हाइट बढ़ाई है ना इसकी. हाँ, yes, so this is tall. Next, SMALL, small. What? SMALL, small. small यानी छोटा. small यानी छोटा, है ना. तो वर्ड भी कैसे लिखा है देखो, छोटा. ओके, नेक्स्ट, THIN, thin. THIN, thin. thin यानी पतला. ओके, thin यानी पतला. तो यहाँ पे thin भी देखो कैसे इतने छोटे इसमें लिखा है. Understood? So from these words itself we will understand the meanings. Okay? Azhar's practice sheet is given below. Okay, help Azhar to complete the sheet. Okay, help Azhar to complete the sheet. Now students, see, they have given here words. Same here you have to write. Fine. जैसे हमने वर्ड्स वहाँ पे लिखा हुआ देखा है ना ऊपर, वैसे ही जो वर्ड्स दिए हैं वहाँ पे हमें लिखना है. ओके, फर्स्ट इज टाइनी, TINY, टाइनी. ओके, टाइनी मीन्स very small. Okay, tiny means very small. So write that tiny, TINY, tiny. Okay, write it. Come on, be fast. Finish? Okay, next, big. Big means बड़ा. Okay, so this big also you have to write like this. Understood? Come on, write it. Finish writing. Okay, next long, long. So long यानी लंबा. So I will also write here long, long. Okay. Come on, be fast. Okay, now you write. Next is short. What? Next is short. Now you write short. How you will write? How you will write short? Okay. See, short यानी छोटा. So I will write here SHORT. Short. Understood? Come on, be fast. Finish or not? Okay. Now, next is wide. Okay. Next is wide. So how you will write wide? Yes. How you will write? Wide means to measure from one side to another. Okay, so we will start this wide from one side till the end side. Okay, so WIDE, wide. Understood? Finish? Okay. Now, next. These words help us to know the size or amount such as how long, how tall, how thin and so on. Height can be tall or short. Okay, if you will compare your father's height and your height, who is tall? Father. Okay, and your height is short. Width can be wide or narrow. Length can be long or short. Understood? So, next is measurement of length. What? Measurement of length. Now, how you can measure the length? That we are going to see. The length is measure of how long or short an object is. Length means what? How long और शॉर्ट, कितना लंबा है कितना छोटा है, वो हम जब मेजर करते हैं उसे बोलते हैं लेंथ. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल सी दिस इज ऑल्सो पेंसिल एंड देयर बिलो ऑल्सो पेंसिल इज देयर. अंडरस्टूड? सो विच इज लॉन्ग? Which is long? Yes, this above. So the length of this pencil is more than the second pencil. Okay, देखो इसकी जो लेंथ है वो लंबी है, इसकी जो लेंथ है वो छोटी है. ओके, नेक्स्ट टॉल एंड शॉर्ट. टॉल यानी हाइट में बड़ा और शॉर्ट यानी छोटा. ओके, टॉल हाइट में बड़ा, शॉर्ट हाइट में छोटा. सो देयर यू कैन सी which is tall and which is short. Sometimes it's difficult to find the length just by looking. देखो कई बार ऐसे confusion होता है या फिर हमें समझ में नहीं आता कि लेंथ किसकी ज़्यादा है किसकी कम है. In such cases, we can measure the length using certain means such as crayon, gym clip, etc. See, if both the things are a little bit same, or if you are not able to find out, then what you can use? यस, उनके लेंथ मेजर करने के लिए हम क्या यूज कर सकते हैं सॉरी, क्या यूज कर सकते हैं? क्रेयॉन यूज कर सकते हो, जिम क्लिप भी यूज कर सकते हो. ओके, नाउ सी, my ribbon is longer than yours, Revati. What does this girl says? My ribbon is longer than you. No, Fabian, I think mine is longer. So this girl is having confusion in that whose ribbon is longer. So this boy says, hey, let us measure your ribbons using clips. See, now here there is a ribbon. Okay, this is Fabian's ribbon and this is Revati's ribbon. They are saying that Fabian is saying my ribbon is long. Revati is saying my ribbon is long. So you can find out the ribbon which is long by using clip. आप रिबन को क्लिप के हेल्प से फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो कौन सी लॉन्ग है. ओके, सो दीज आर क्लिप्स, these are clips. So you can place the clips one after the another, and how much more clips are required, for whose ribbon more clips are required, that is long. Okay, now to measure the Fabian's ribbon, देखो फाबियन की रिबन मेजर करने के लिए कितने क्लिप्स लगे हमें? 1 2 3 4. How many clips? 4 clips. Okay, and here Revati's 1 2 3. Fine, here 4 and here 3. So which is long? Of course 4. Okay, so Fabian's ribbon is about 4 clips long. Revati's ribbon is about 3 clips long. Okay, so whose ribbon is longer? लंबा किसका है? Fabian's. So right here, whose ribbon is longer? Fabian. Understood? Next, Manjit is measuring his maths book using clips. Okay, Manjit, you can see in this picture, he is measuring the maths book. Manjit's maths book is 5 clips long. So he need 5 clips. How many? He took 5 clips. उसको 5 clips लगे books measure करने के लिए. Okay? Think of more objects you could see to measure the length. Make sure those objects are the same and of the same size. Okay? So students, you can measure like this many things with crayons, clips, anything. Okay? Now students, see, I will show you something. Just a minute. If I want to measure this remote, okay, if I want to measure this remote, how it is long. So see, as they have used the clip, I will also use the clip. See, this is the clip. Okay, so I will place it here. See, this is 1. Fine. Now I will put here this. Then next I will take 2, then 3, and here 4. So how many clips are required? How many clips? 4 clips. How many? 4 clips. So this remote is 4 clips longer. How many? 4 clips longer. Okay. Now I want to measure this marker length. Okay. So I will start placing again. 1, 2, 3, this is also 4. This remote and this marker, they are of same, means 4 clips, 4 clips are required to measure the length. Okay. Now students, if I want to measure this book, okay, see 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it enough? No, more clips are required. Okay. If you will compare this remote and book, this is 4 clips. This is of 4 clips, but this is more than 4. Okay. So who is longer? Which is longer in length? Book is longer in length. Okay. If you will stop here, if you 4 comes till here, and here I will extend 5, 6. It is near about 6. Okay. So this is this book is longer than this remote and marker. Okay. So you can take the help of such clips to measure the length. Understood? You can take the help of crayons also. Suppose this is crayon. Imagine, it is pencil, I know, but suppose this is crayon. So you can just go on placing like 1, okay, 2, then 3. So this book is 3 times as crayons. Okay, 3 times as crayons. Understood? So you can use crayons also and clips also. Understood? Okay. Now measuring of length. Fine. So in this way students, we have started with our chapter number 1, that is measurement. What? Measurement. Okay. We have seen the objects like big, small, heavy, light, tall, short. These things we have learned, and how you can measure the length, that also we have learned. Further things we will see in the next period. Thank you.